Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back in my coding class. Again, I am going to conduct coding class on Tynker. This is your project Move Girls Web. Okay, you are going to learn how to edit the stage. This pencil shows that when you click here, you can edit the stage. Okay. See, this is your stage. Okay, how you can edit the stage? This is a code block, and here you can change the stage. Okay, this is the option. What background you want? Do you want this background? Click here. Stage is changed. Another stage. Yes. So many wonderful stages are given. Within a click, you can change the stage. So nice. And what this option is? This is default. Do you want adventure? These are adventure stage. Do you like it? Adventure category. Okay, see, click on this menu. Another option is Barbie. Girls like Barbie, so girls student can make such games based on Barbie. Okay, Barbie style kitchen.